and recently, like, I didn't know that I was coming here, and I am a PCM student actually. So when I was coming here, I feared that I may not understand many things, as most of the people here are from commerce. But when I came here, sir told me that I will teach things that people from all streams can understand. So I am very grateful to sir who explained things in such a simple manner, and sir's oratory skills are brilliant, as said earlier. And like, before coming here, my perspective of the stock market was also that it was like playing gambling, but sir changed that perspective, and he said that stock market is just a game of which stock you are investing based on your research, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and when you are investing. We have to wait for the correct time, like when we are getting a fair price, and how different events can affect our stocks. So it was actually a very brilliant experience. I would like to thank my J.K. Vishnu sir who gave me the chance of coming here, and I would like to thank the whole BPSK management for organizing such an event, and I would like to thank Dr. Tripathi, and I wish that such events are conducted more and more. And again, thank you.